All right, buddy. What are we gonna move on to next?
The popping out the windows.
Popping out the windows.
They're very dirty, yucky.
Don't.
Seals.
Yep.
We're probably going to have to go inside and outside with getting the seal off, but it might take a while.
Well, what we really have to do, and it's kind of easy actually. I'm gonna get my knife, and I'm gonna cut around the outside of the seal. You're gonna climb inside. You're gonna put your gloves. You're gonna put your gloves back on. You're gonna climb inside, and you're gonna push at the top of that window, right behind that sticker. And you're gonna push at that, and I'm gonna catch it, make sure it doesn't fall, and it's gonna pop right out. I think. What do you think?
It might, or it might go falling out and smash your hands, and there'll be 200,000 million owies on your hand, but maybe.
All right, let's get to work. Come over here. All right, you got your gloves on?
Yep.
All right, so this is what you're going to do. We're going to come around here. All right, yeah, give me your knife.
I'm opening it.
You can open it, sure. All right, thank you. Gonna have to change the blade out on that here soon. So I start up here, and I'm just going to cut this off.
I'm going to get it.
No, we're not getting in yet. We're not needing that. Didn't realize that the camera stopped filming on its own. I think I ran out of memory space. So we popped the window out. Gabe did a great job. It literally, once we cut the seal out, he went in, we pushed once in the center, once on the far side, and then once on this side, and it popped right out. The inner seal came out pretty good. I got what looks like possibly rust or something here. I got to clean things out. But this came out pretty well. It's got a little mark here, but it seems like it was built that way. I was trying to film it actually coming out, but at least we got this far. Hey Gabe, what do you think? If we have time tonight before dinner, do you think we should try and start pulling that headliner down? Or no, we got to get the front windshield off before we do that. That's the headliner. All right, Gabe, so the next step, the next thing I'd like to do today is get the trim off the windshield and then maybe pop the windshield off. What are your thoughts on that? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe. Why not? You might have to go to Ace.
Might have to go to Ace? Why?
To get the trim thingy.
The trim removal tool? No, I'm gonna see how I can do with doing it myself. No, you don't pull it up. No. It moves, but you don't yank on it like that. You have to get behind there, then there's little clips that you have to push out of the way, okay? Here, let me show you the clips on the back. And the clips on the back are very similar to the clips on the front. See these clips?
Yeah.
These clips hold the trim on. And you see how this one's really tight to the body, this one's falling back a little bit, this one's tight. These clips could be anywhere on that front window. We're not exactly sure where they are, and we don't want them to pull on that stainless trim and bend it out of shape.
Are you going to keep it?
I'm going to keep the stainless trim up front. I'm still debating on if I'm keeping it stainless or if I'm going to maybe paint the trim. But
Ooh, I want to paint. Oh, hi, Dada. I want to know.
Hi, sweetness. So I got a couple pieces of trim off. Who needs a trim removal tool? We can call this an 801 tool. Works really well as a trim removal tool.
How's the 801?
Well, it's called a 7-in-1 tool. Sometimes 6-in-1 tool, depending on how many things you do with them. But Daddy seems to do a lot of different things with them. So, get it behind the trim, find the clip, and you can use it to pry the clip. Don't put it that close to the car, it's not going to be able to focus on anything, buddy. Alright. Now, granted, it would probably be a lot quicker with a true trim removal tool, but I just didn't have one.
Well, you were going to make one if the picks didn't work.
Oh, I didn't even get to the picks yet. So we have standard pick set that I was going to try and get in there and do. Yep, there's a clip right there. No, there's a clip over there. I just can't feel it.
Go deeper.
You're doing what, baby?
Recording.
You're recording? Okay.
Yeah.
You hear that noise? That was me finding that clip, trying to get behind it, but I missed it. Hear that? Or see that? That's it, clip. You just pry that clip out. You should be able to wiggle this up. Hey, babe. I think Gabe's filming, so.
I am.
What time is it?
3:26.
All right, Mommy wanted us to wrap up at around 4, so.
Why? I love them. I wanna take out the front window. What the?
We should show Mommy what we found in the back with bunches of Bondo and everything else. Do you want to go show her that? Are you really going to just sit there and film me doing this for however long? All right, so it looks like we're getting ready to pull the front windshield. And Project Family Affair has the whole family involved. Both Annie and Gabe are going to be helping with the window. My beautiful wife is filming me, cutting this out. And you guys are going to be, I'm gonna see all the hate mail already. Why is the bottom trim still in? Well, because I don't have a trim removal tool. And it was not coming out on its own. Alright guys, push on the window. Alright, stop there. Let me slide it up from the bottom. Alright. And that's how you do it without taking off the bottom trim. You got that, Gabe? Alright, buddy.
Hi. I'm coming. Hi, at the front window. And I'm coming.
Alright, buddy, you're gonna have to run this out to the trash. Here you go. Gabe, it's behind you, buddy.